So in this video, we'll be going over concentration units as students normally get confused by them. So I'll be going in detail and explaining them each by each. So the first one is very easy. It is percentage by mass, and the formula says it is mass of the solute over the total mass of the solution times 100. So the one thing you need to know is the difference between solute and solution. Solution is the entire thing in the solution, and solute is only one of the element in the solution. So let's look at an example and this will be more clear. So here's an example. So the question is, what is the percentage by mass of 285 grams? Let me grab a pen. Yeah, that has 85 grams of solute. So now you have the formula. You can just substitute. Let me just bring that here. So it's going to be mass of the solute, which is 85, over 285, which is the total mass of the solution, which is given here, and times 100. So normally what happens is, here in the exam they might give you the other solute as 200. So they will say that there are two solutes in a solution, so you just add them up and then you'll find the solution. So molality is one of the most commonly confused mistakes students make. So molality is, the formula you have to remember is moles of solute over kilograms or liters of solvent. So this is a big difference, and the unit is lowercase m. So be careful of that. And now let's look at an example of molality. So here the question is asking, what is the molality of a solution prepared by dissolving 29.5 NaCl in 212.7 grams of water. So you have the formula, you have the moles of solute and kilograms or liters of solvent. You can try solving this out, and I'll be solving it right now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to calculate the moles of solvent, and what we have here is 29.5 grams of NaCl. So first thing is to convert this into moles. So let's do that. So number of moles is equal to mass of the element divided by the molar mass. So 58 is the molar mass, and you get 0.505 as the number of moles of solvent. And now to calculate the kilogram of solvent, you basically just convert this 212.7 grams to liters or kilogram by dividing by 1000, and you will get this. And just apply the formula now. So it is number of moles of solvent divided by 0.2127, which is the liters of water, because we divide this by 1000, and it is equal to 2.37 m, which is molality. So here this is another example of a question of molality. So here they're asking you to find the mass of HClO4 by giving you the molality. So here what the formula is going to be is molality is equal to number of moles, which is equal to mass, which we need to find, over mole mass of HCl. So just write m for now, divided by liters of the solvent. Yeah, so this is 239, so just divide by 1000. So a common mistake students make in molality is that they take the entire solution, so it's only the solvent. Okay, so then you can just bring the final formula. So here is the final equation which you have to solve for m here, and you can do this by just typing on the calculator and doing shift solve, and it will give you the final answer of m. And if you don't know how to do that, I can make a video explaining that. It's a very simple trick to not waste time solving for equations like this, and letting the calculator just solve for you. Now the final thing, which is also very easy, is the mole fraction. So mole fraction formula is the moles of A over the moles of A plus moles of B. And let's look at an example here, which will be more easy to understand. So here they're asking you to find the mole fraction of C2H5OH in a solution which has this many moles, 1.46 moles of CH3OH and 2.19 moles of this element, which we need to find the mole fraction. So just apply the formula here. So it's going to be the moles you're trying to find over the total moles. So this is very easy. and you can just solve this and you will get the answer of 0.6. So this is the final answer. So now just to recap, the only mistake, no, common mistake students make is they confuse molality with molarity. So molality again is moles of the solvent over the liters of solution, and molarity is moles of the solvent over the total solution, liters of solution. So be very careful of this and don't make this mistake.